Hello guys, once again let us look at screw thread engineering drawing into screw thread. After this one we are going to look at sectional. This is the previous question paper, right? Previous question paper, sectional drawing. After this one we are going to look at interpenetration. You understand? So this is the given view. So that one it's a hint. That one it's a hint that when you have to draw, you are going to draw it like this. It's a view. Because like this is it's like it's been shown according to 3D, 3 dimension, whereby we are talking about the top left and the front. Maybe top left, right and the front. You understand? If it's given in third angle photographic projection. So the question read as follows: figure 2 below shows an isometric. You see, they are telling you that it has been drawn according to isometric view of an auxiliary view and an auxiliary view of a special square head bolt. You understand? So that was the statement. Draw this in first angle orthographic projection, the top view of the top view to a scale 1:1. Draw in first angle orthographic projection, the top view of the top view to a scale 1:1. So the top view, which is going to be something of this nature. So that is why they even show you there with the arrow. Listen. Provide the M35 times 50 millimeter shank with the right hand square screw thread with the pitch of 10 millimeter. You understand? So line work, accuracy, layout, they are also paying that. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to draw, the start. Draw a horizontal center line like this. So you must be very careful whether your screw thread is going to be horizontal or vertical. You understand? Here you are given a hint. So from here till there, is 50 millimeter. They said using a scale of 1:1. Then from here, get a faint line that's going to be like this. Then from here, I can measure 50 millimeter. It's 50, right? From here till here is 50. With 50 ends. Vertical constructional line. Then from here till there is 20 millimeter. This is my 20 millimeter. Then after the 20 millimeter, there is what? There is 17 millimeter. 17, there is my 20, 19, 18, 15, 16, 17 millimeter. Right, then after that one, let's come back here. From here, the outer diameter from there till there is how much? Is 50, is 35, because this M is good as if it's diameter, isn't it? So we are going to say is diameter 35. So you must always have your calculator by your side. 35 divided by 2, because of the center we are getting 17.5. 17.5. So I can come and put it at 17.5. This is 15, 16, 17.5 is between 17 and 18. 17.5 is right there. Then I mark at 0 and 35 like this. After the 17.5, I can have this like this faint. Then from there, remember they said the pitch is how much? The pitch is 10 millimeter. The pitch is 10 millimeter. So we are having a formula which is saying m number divided by pitch. No, not that one. If I'm not mistaken, it's saying pitch times 0.5, isn't it? So it's good as if they are saying pitch divided by 2. So what are we going to do with that? So we are going to say 10 times let's do it. 10 times 0.5, how much are you getting? Is 5. So what do you do with that 5 millimeter? Come record it from your drawing compass or your divider. This is the 5 millimeter. So come going in 5 millimeter. Let me double check. 5 millimeter. Then again I come in the bottom line again 5 millimeter. Understand? So from there, this one till there, from there this one till there. You are drawing it faint. You understand? So you come again. You're saying half pitch, which means from here till here, again from there till there is 5, then 5, so that from here till there is now full pitch. You understand? So 5 millimeter, half pitch, like that till at the end. You understand? Then from there, so that you save time, do like this. Mark here, mark there. It's the same as, other than coming and do the repeating what you did there. So you'll be accurate and fast when you're doing it like this. Like this. There you go. There you go. Like this we go. Like this we go. Like this we go. And the outer one, just for now, do it. Right. So these are 5 millimeter, 5 on this line. Again, on from here till there is 5 millimeter. From there till there is 5 millimeter, which is half a pitch. Are we together? Then from there, what is it supposed to be done next? Come back to double check what was the question asking you to do. They said what? Right hand, internal or external? Right hand square thread, square screw thread with a pitch of. Did they set internal or outside? Let's come back. So obvious is this. You see that the question, they didn't say whether it's internal or external, but by looking at what we are drawing, where do we normally get external thread? Where do we normally get internal thread? So you must begin to ask yourself, assuming we're not even given this hint, you see, by so looking at what you are doing. So this is a shaft, so indeed this would be external what? Square screw thread. Are we together? But in some other question, the examiner will even state there whether you are drawing an internal or external. You understand? But in this case, they didn't said it. But by looking at what you are dealing with, we are dealing with a shaft or with a nut. Sort of not a nut, a bolt. So in a bolt, that's where we get what? External square screw thread. So what is important that we can jot down here is what is right. So in actually here they were supposed to say shark with the external right hand square screw thread. External right hand square screw thread. Okay, let's start. So now let's make the thread. So I'll decide to make the first one a thread like this. So from here till there a dark, from there till there it would be a gap. So dark like this, I jump the second one, dark, jump, dark, jump, dark. You understand? So if up there I started with the jumping closing, isn't it? So which means on the bottom one I will have to start with jumping. You understand? So up there I started by closing, so here I will start with what? With a jumping. Like this we go, like this we go, like this we go, like this we go. So you see. Okay, then after that, what do you do? What can you do? What are you expected to do? Now we can go like this, from here till here, from here till there. Another point that I can emphasize, if I haven't emphasized it that much, you can just scroll in other videos of my where I'm teaching this. So since they are saying draw an external right, so your thread, they are expected to slant on the opposite of this direction, which is left. So if you take a look, our thread are slanting what way? On my left hand side, isn't it? Why? Because the question said to draw the what? The rightmost. Like this you go, like this you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Then now this one with that, but remember the hidden details we are not showing. You understand? Then go this one with that, this one it should be dark till here. So from here till here is hidden. Then this one it should be dark from here till there, the depth. This one till here, this one till there. There you go. There you go. There you go. So now you can come to join this with that, this with that, this with that, this with that. Let's do it like this. Solid, solid, solid. So here it will be solid till here. Then come back on the bottom part, you do the same thing, do the same thing, do the same thing, do the same thing. Then from there, this one with the center, this point with the center, this point with the center, then this one with the center. This one with the center. Let's go with the upper one. Center with that one. Center with that one. Center with that one. Center with that one. This one. Then close it here. And here. So actually this is what the question was looking for, you understand. So now you can just conclude this part. How? Like this. Do you see that it looks like we're not given the are we given? Oh, obvious, actually we're given. So it's 25. Remember the center, so which means from is 25 from here till there is 25, which means from here till there is 25. You understand? So you must always have your calculator by your side, even if you know 25 divided by 2 is how much. You see, it's 12.5. So come here, this is my 10, this is my 11. 12.5 is between 12 and A1. So which means I can erase this one a bit. It is actually exactly like the way we see it right here. We've just proven Uguti from here till there is a 12.5, from here till here is a 12.5. It's proof that we are still at the right track. Do you see that it actually came out for itself by using what the pitch of 10 millimeter? It came out for itself by using the pitch of what of 10. So it shows that we are at the right track. What I like about drawing, you can see by yourself what you are going out of order. You see, by some of the dimension they will agree with you. Some of the dimension they will agree with you. So which means indeed without fear or favor, we know what this one will be solid. Again, this one from here till here solid. And then now I can come back here and make this one solid and complete it diagonal corners like this, A1. Okay, and then from there we are told from here till there is how much? Is 37. So when we divide 37 by 2, simplify it, we are getting 18.5. 18.5. This is 0, 15, 18.5. 18.5. Then come here to the center, strike an arc here, strike an arc there. 18.5. Get this one solid and solid. You understand? This one, okay, now close it. This, which is this one. So you must get this arc now. So now to get this arc, remember we're not given the radius, so you place your compass here till there, then you draw that arc. How? Like this. Place your compass here at the end of your shaft. How? Like this, till where? Till here, like this. Then you draw. It's my arc. Let me use this one. It's like this. So this is what you must get. So I think you must get a proper drawing instrument, not this one. Not this one. You see that it's very, it has tear my paper again, even there. So like this, you can take your 15 minutes. Thank you very much, guys. That was Mr. Nkosi. Thank you for watching. Don't be lazy to subscribe, please, guys. We are begging with you. Those adverts that they normally just pop up during your watching, don't skip them. Just leave them, you understand? Just leave them like that, yeah, because at the end of the day, we need YouTube managers to recognize us, you understand? So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like as well, like and share. Thank you. That was Mr. Nkosi. Thank you. Okay, see you on the next video.